Hey, everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're heading to Danao-City in Cebu for the vibrant and lively Karansa Festival 2024, with a special focus on its exciting street parade. The Karansa Festival is a celebration that traces its roots back to Danao-City's pottery-making traditions, which date back centuries. The word Karansa comes from the Cebuano term that means to dance with joy, and that's exactly what this festival is all about, reveling in the spirit of community and craftsmanship. The street parade is one of the most anticipated events, where participants dance through the streets in a whirlwind of color and rhythm. The Karansa Street Parade features dancers representing various barangays and schools in Danao City. Dressed in bright, intricately designed costumes, the dancers perform synchronized movements to the lively beats of drums and local music. The choreography is inspired by the rhythmic motions used in pottery making, giving a unique cultural twist to the parade. Spectators are treated to a dynamic display of tradition and modernity as the city comes alive with energy and joy. The Karansa Festival isn't just a celebration of heritage, but also a symbol of Danao City's unity and pride. The street parade captures the heart of the festival: community participation, creativity, and the deep connection between the city's history and its present. Through this event, the people of Danao preserve their cultural identity while embracing new expressions of joy and celebration. That's a wrap on today's festival feature. If you're excited about the Karansa Festival like I am, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. What's your favorite part of the street parade? Let me know below.
And ingon si Marlon Arenas, pa-shoutout naman po sa Dayong Sur, Danao City. And sani, Happy Fiesta Danao, watching from Abu Dhabi. Shout out to Marian Roble Ipil, watching from Abu Dhabi. Alright, you can see on your screens, we are still on our first contingent, right, Biangs?
Yes. I don't know lang ha kung madungog ni silang live, pero very energetic ang ato ang hugpong sa mahudyaka o merkado sa Banganon.
Yes, actually we got a confirmation madungog gid siya sa live.
Oh, sige, ato sila padungog.
Aside sa atong mga nindot kay nga mga ting, madungog nila ang mga beats and drums.
Especially their facial expressions.
Yes, look at that.
Makita gyud kaayo.
Yes.
Makahinumdum ko sa huang panahon na dapat todo hataw at sayo.
Of course, that's one thing yun nga signature sa ato mga festivals, no, kay naagi facial expressions.
Okay, so si Shim karon mga live viewers nasa siya mag-take sa siya grill. So I'm with my co-worker in the Public Information Office, Jay. Hello, Jay.
Hi, Biangs!
So sa mga ibang masulti sa to ang first
contingent from
Hugpong sa Mahudyaka ug
Merkadong sa Banganon. First contingent pa lang, nindot na kayo. Masidlako na kayo. Grabe, sila jud ang nagpasidlak sa to ang dakbayan karon, no?
So karon atong ipadungog sa to ang mga live viewers ang chance sa to ang first contingent. So enjoy mo dira mga Danawanan and friends from all over the world. We're bringing you the live via the Now City Facebook page and CDN Digital. So keep the comments coming kay amon ning basahon in between the performances ang inyong mga pa-shout out dira. And pasensya na lang daan if dili mabasa kay medyo busy po ang show dire. So let's read from our live viewers. Makadungog ra mo mga Danawanan and friends. masidlakon kaayo ang ato ang street karon sa Danao City. Madungog ra ba ilang mga chance? Wow, very wonderful. Kaayo ilang mga props po sa ato ang contingent number 1. Shout out, Ribo ni Iloy from Santayong Sur. Hello ma'am, Irina Hestra. Subang Sabang from Kiri Belda.
Shout out also to Tribo ni Liloy from Santayong Sur.
Happy Fiesta Jean Gracia and family from Catherine Tan Villaruel. Happy Fiesta Danao. Wala mi nakahatagi og paypay. Okay ra na ma'am. Musuri pa si Senator ba mahatag pa din siya paypay.
So karon natong makita ang mga instruments na ginagamit no kay right now this Karansa Festival we are doing live music for our performances.
Kumusta man atong mga live viewers, na-enjoy ra ba ninyo ang inyuhang nakita karon? That's still the hugpong sa remarkadong sabanganon. Hugpong sa mahudiyaka ug remarkadong sabanganon. Okay. Up next, following them is
Tribo ni Beatriz from Beatriz D. Durano Memorial National High School, District 9 with their festival queen, Samantha Faye Beduya.
So, Tribo ni Beatriz, District Head George A. Noya, School Principal J. Mar Lavador, Contingent Coordinator Mervic Quizon, Choreographer Jofil Bacha, Dance Masters Vernus Castro, Ken Tutud, Fedi Formentera, Raymart Flores, and from the clustered barangays of Barangay Suba, Santa Rosa, Licos, ug Barangay Bayabas. So, unsa man ang mong masulti Jay sa ato ang second contingent?
Second contingent ni no pero daghan pagitag atangan ang katong first na to contingent grabe na kayo lang ipakita sa ato it sets standards for the rest of the contingents and right now we are having the second contingent and I think this will be a good performance as well.
Of course, tatak danawanon na good
Basta
performances.
danawanon good, basta danawanon.
Ato
O basta
makita.
Karansa, of course, dapat hugyaw gyud ang tanan.
Yes, bahalag uwan-uwan karon no. Pero grabe kayo gihapon ang energy.
Dili makitaan nga nag-struggle sila.
Yes. Actually, murag mao nay ampay pud sa mga dancers ang murag medyo uwan-uwan gamay para di kayo init.
Mao good. Ikaw Bianx, di ba na dancer man ka sa una, kamusta man ang experience?
Napangutanan na ni Shim
Ay,
ganyan.
nangutana. Kadaghan na mga-
Nindot ang experience, especially no kanina. Sayaw, dili lang basta sayaw. It's not all about dancing. It's about Thanksgiving to our patron saint, Santa Tomas de Villanueva.
Of course, we have to...
So makita nato ang Andas and their festival queens ato ang contingent number 2.
Yes. Their
Our
festival queen,
festival queen, Samantha
Samantha
Faye Beduya, 21 years old.
parents, Evangeline V. Batulan. And then, she's coming from the Tribo ni Beatriz of Beatriz D. Durano Memorial National High School.
Wow, very graceful.
Graceful, looking
elegant.
good, elegant on her
Red outfit,
red and
gold,
silver.
and gold. May
Yeah.
gold ba? Or
May
namamalik mata lang ako, Jay. Pagtatagalog ako ha, for our viewers from Luzon,
minamanifest
Visayas,
na yung
Mindanao.
minamanifest na yung gold
Oh, manifesting
for
gold.
this contingent.
Go for gold.
Let's see their performance on their street dancing competition.
Kani po pud ang ato ang contingent number 2. Nindot pud kaayo ang combinations sa colors. Very pleasing to the eyes para
Yes.
nako.
And I can see the brand of Danao with their costumes.
Yes, the pottery making.
Yes.
Well, Danao City is known for its pottery making, especially in Barangay Suba. Often feature pots during the festival dances. Mao nang mabantayan dyan nato, no? Murag, each contingent, murag na dyan pot.
Okay. Tatak Danawanon usa ginasa
That's the tatak of the Karansa Festival as well.
Yes.
Very nindot and very nice jud ang ato ang contingent number 2.
Dapat lang kay daghan kayo nagtan-aw sa ato ang mga contingents, no? There is a street dancing competition, and imagine ang kaniya ato ang mga contingents dili lang ni siya mosayaw kausa. Kung dili mosayaw sila sa bisag asa nga lugar sa Danao, hangtod dito sa ilahang stage dito sa
Oval.
Oval.
Sa Ramon D. Durano Senior Sports Complex, luyo sa CTU. Later on, atong makita pod live ang ritual showdown. But before that, ato sa i-enjoy ang street dancing competition diri sa mabulukan nga streets sa Danao City. So ato pang ipa-enjoy sa tuang mga live viewers, no? Especially
Yes.
para madunggan po nila ang chants, ang sounds sa tuang tribals. So hilom sa mi kadiyot mga Danawanan and friends for you to enjoy the vibrant spectacle right now happening here and now in Danao City. Now, let's welcome the contingent number 3, Pundok sa Malampusong Ginsakamag from Ginakot Integrated School District 4. Their contingent is led by their inspiring festival queen, Shamil Ipil, and choreographed by Jenny Camanse, with cluster barangays from Ginakot, Kahumayan, Santikan, Magtagugtog. So their district head is Ma'am Dina Dagatan, School Principal Marimar Espanola, Contingent Coordinator Vani Baton, Dance Masters Kent Bentoy, Eddie Roda, Daisy Delphine, and Merlu Ramoneta. Unsa man imong masultip na pod sa tuang contingent number 3J?
Kani sa tong contingent number 3, no, lahi po ilang atake din hindapita. They are using some colors which is not so bright, but it's still eye-catchy. This made their costumes unique, and this is actually good. They actually have a good concept. So later on, we will be witnessing their street dancing and how they move, how they perform on the streets. Right now, yung makita daghan jud kayo mga tao, no? Bisag uwan, daghan kayo mga tao, inana sila ka-excited mo witness sa ato ang mga contingents karon.
And kaning uwan blessing man daw ni Jay.
Mao gyud blessing gyud ni dili ni nato dapat
Dito ma-discourage.
Dito ma-discourage kaya this is a blessing coming from our patron saint, Santo Tomas, Senior Santo Tomas de Villanueva.
So to our live viewers, we are live via Danao-City Government Facebook page and CDN Digital. So keep the comments coming because in between the performances, we'll be giving shout-outs to you. Basin ka muna mo mabasahan. And pasensya if dili mabasahan ang tanan ha. Parang swerte-swerte lang to mga guys. Bitaw. So, happy fiesta Danao City from Cyrus Clyde, Roble Hopia. Asa man mo mamista karon? So karon i-enjoy lang usa ninyo ang mga chants and sounds ato ang contingent number 3.
On the comments, I can see nga na ay nagpa-shout out ingon ni Angela Laurito ayaw papildi maslog because right now coming up next up we have tripo sa Madasigong Masloganon from Kapitan Mariano L. Espera Jr. Memorial National High School from District 6. Their contingent is led by the energetic festival queen, Althea Grace Vizcaino, and choreographed by Maximar Custodio, representing the barangays of Maslog, Pili, Ogis, and Lawaan. So our contingent number 4 district head is Mark Sierras, school principal Emma Colon, contingent coordinator Annalisa M. Valdez, choreographer Maximar Custodio, dance masters John Ray Acosta, Harvey Barcelona, Clarissa Tolentino, and Rim Abusolo.
Alright, makita po nato ang ilahang festival queen na imuhan ang na-mention kaganiha si Althea Grace Vizcaino. She is 17 years old. Parents, Alberto Vizcaino II and Gracel Vizcaino. And again, she's from Tribo sa Madasigong Masloganon. Dasig lang maslog bisag nag-uwan.
Dapat lang kita magsidlak kanunay, no?
Yes. Nainig comment diri na palit na mo og payong ayaw mo pauwan. Yes, palit na mo og payong mga Danawanon na ay available na the Now Here and Now umbrella sa to ang souvenir shop located at the entrance sa to ang Danao-City Boardwalk. So very graceful pud kaayo ato ang Festival Queens from Maslog.
Atong tanawon karon ang atoang contingent number 4 wherein they are starting their street dancing.
So enjoy sa inyong comfort sa inyong homes or even you're traveling while you're watching this live streaming.
There you go. Masloganon started strong, Bianx.
Very synchronized. And I love the color. That's my favorite color, pink.
Sabi ko mong favorite color, silver.
Pink and silver pwede din. So na magpa-shoutout. Shoutout ko mas logunta hakot ninyo from Rhea Twest. Ari, Cebu City, uwan aha. Uwan po diri sa Danao City but dili kayo buntak kay tanan. Murag sakto lang na makasayaw pag yun ang ato ang mga contingents. Shout out sa mga taga-Gaisano Capital Danao from Jerlyn nga natulog. Happy Fiesta Danao City from Jay Gonzalez.
Indeed, Danao City is a bike capital of the
Cebu.
Yes, because they are actually using bike as one of their highlights on their street dancing competition.
They really showcase the best of Danao City through their street dancing performance. Aside from we are the bike capital of Cebu, we also recently been awarded as the top 1 most improved component cities in the entire Philippines and top 1 most competitive component cities in the entire Cebu province. And right now, we're showcasing to you the best of Danao City. Why we are really awarded by DTI. So, nindot
Yes.
gid kaayong Danao City. Padayon gihapon ta sa pagsidlak, Jay.
As you can see, the crowd is cheering for our contingent number 4. I can see right now the facial expressions of the dancers.
Naasya ni comment diri madaog or mapildi ang importante nakahalad. Very true, Jude. Ma'am Kapuyan Monte Kevin. Mo dyan na importante. We're not just here for the awards. We're here for the Thanksgiving. Pasalamat kang Senior Santo Tomas de Villanueva and of course sa ato ang Ginoo. Sa tanang blessings na iyahang gihatag sa ato ang dakbayan. O sa ato ang pamilya, o sa atong kaugalingon. Happy Fiesta Danao from Australia. Mingaw na ko mamista diha from Janelle Gore. Hello ma'am. Shout out.
Grabe ang performance sa ito ang contingent number 4, no? Woo! Wala pa takatunga pero medyo hangak na ang competition. Murag maglisod jud ang judge kinsay makadaw ganing best in street dancing competition.
May gali kay dili ta judge.
Maog yun.
Judgmental lang ka.
Judgmental lang. May ganin nalata diri mang judge.
Shout out ko sa Baskets family from Ibes and Handumon. Shout out Mahigugmaon DT from Dana Carmel. Watching from Melbourne, Happy Fiesta Danao from Jen Gormley. Enjoy the live streaming, Ma'am Jen. Nag-live streaming jud mi karon para sa atong mga kaigsuunang Danawanon from Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, and even abroad para inyuhan ni. Maayo kay gi-live kay di ko kalaag kay gihilantan Rian Rica. Amo jud ning gi-live para sa mga team bahay and team abroad. So enjoy watching our live streaming and now let's watch the pundok sa nagkahiusang mahudyakang ginsayanon from Ginsay National High School District 3 with their festival queen Roche Bituon and choreography by Junrel Mateo Sebial. They're sure to light up the streets with their synchronized moves kay mauni sila ang champion last year.
Ooh, they hold the pressure, di ay, no?
Yes.
But of course,
They represent the barangays of Ginsay, Kabungahan, Baliang, and Saksak. With their district head Freddy Lavador, school principal Ramil G. Lavador, contingent coordinator Line Aliguay, and dance masters Clifford Capuno, Joyce Marpadillo, and Paul Roca. So mauni ang ato ang champion last year. Will they be able to sustain their title or nabay laing makagrab? So let's find out later
yes,
sa ato ang
let's find
ritual
out later. But of
showdown.
course, they're actually vibrant today with their festival queen, Miss Roche Bituon, 23 years old, daughter of Jerry Bituon and Gemma Bituon, from Pundok sa nagkahiusang mahudyakong Ginsayanon from Ginsay National High School.
Nindot pud kayo lang costume Jay no murag wala jay usik ang mga costume
Grabe.
karon sa itong mga contingents murag maglibog pud ka sa ato ang piliun.
Grabe,
Basin costume karon.
Wala ko'y laing maigon, kundi grabe. Basta Danawanon, basta Karansa, top 1 gyud.
So nai nagpa-shoutout there, shoutout to Hiyangan and Laurente family. Happy Fiesta watching from Laguna. Hi Sir RG Laurente. Happy Fiesta Danao. Shoutout mahigugmaong mananayaw sa DT. DMIS from Team Bahay from Mom Gigalin Roble Cordero. Happy Fiesta Danao from the Nasan Trail Ultra. See you on October 6, 2024. Hello Sir Herson Ipil. So yes, Ultra Trail na punta, no? Go, 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 Maslow from Maria Ferrulok, Guyao. Shout out watching from the Now Cocopam Resort from Sir June Vallejo. Viva Senior Santa Tomas de Villanueva watching from Davao City, Rhea Jade Perez, hello. So enjoy! This is the performance of our contingent number 5, pundok sa nagkahiusang mahudyakang ginsayanon. Santa Tomas de Villanueva. That's the performance of our contingent number 5. Pundok sa nagkahiusang mahudyakang ginsayanan, our last year's champion sa Karansa Festival Ritual Showdown. So inyong makita karon ang ilahang andas. Aside from Best in Street Dancing, napod tay contest for Best in Andas. Ang ilang energy, Jay, no? Very contagious. Ang ilang chance, very kusog pa dyan kaayo na mo maka-chance for tag-apil.
Ilaha yung gipaila nga sila ang defending champion ug dili sila magpapildi ug andam yapay lang buhaon ang title karon nga tuig. Pero ang uban sa na contingent dili pod magpalupig.
Margway magpalupig.
Walay magpalupig nilang tanan.
Anyways, magpa-shoutout na punta sa tuwang mga live viewers. Shoutout kang Yana Gonzalez watching from Cambanay. Pa-shout out Kanlingo Sabang from Danca, Karansa, Sugabo.
That's our contingent number 5 from Pundok sa nagkahiusang Mahudyakang Ginsayanon.
So next, ang makita nato, what we can see right now is the float of our Miss Danao top 5. Last night, we just crowned the new Miss Danao-City 2024. Nakakita ka ato, Jay?
Grabe ang eksena dito, no? Nindot kay ato ang stage. Wala gid magpalupig ang Danao City, not only in festivals but also in pageantries.
So ato makita karon ang mga maanyag nga top 5 sa Miss Danao-City 2024. Gahapon maglibog jud ka kinsay daog kay mga ba jud kaayo.
Dili lang kay sila maanyag kung dili mga utukan sa silang tanan.
Murag ako.
Murag ikaw, Blanx.
Actually, mo apil man jud akong Miss Danao pero nalapas naman ko sa kalendaryo. Char. Joke lang, I'm still 27 years old. Hello.
Sino may chance?
25 ra kutob. I'm so sad. So
There you
that's
have it.
our
So right now, you can see on screen our next contingent from Pundok, Banay sa Mahugyawong, Cambanay, hails from Ubaldo EY Memorial National High School, District 5. Their talented festival queen, Miss Caterina Celine Melenchon, and the dance led by Benzon Enriquez will bring you their vibrant energy representing Cambanay, Cagat, Cambubho, and Sandayong Norte. And their district head is Maria Concepcion Hooper, school principal Jessica Min, and of course their contingent coordinator, Ms. Angie May Sabas. Dance masters, Kevin Magan, Kim Rafi, Jofil Tampus, Merica Arnel Garrido.
kani pud na contingent Jay motigi pud oh. Tan-awa ilahang costumes, ilahang andas, ang ilahang synchronized moves.
Grabe, kung buto na hunaon, dili pa na mao ang beginning silang performance kay ato ang judge na apa sa unahan dapit. Basta
Pero
atong
hataw na gid
tan-awon
kay sila.
kung unsa lang performance kung naa ang ato ang mga judge, no.
Bagnati DT from Kara Daniel and Dana Carmel. Shout out ko sa ko ang manghod Kara Daniel Garcia watching live right now. Go Ubaldo Donyas, go 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 from Nika May Kapute. Good Maslog from Ron Kaput. Happy Fiesta, Ma'am Elisa Tomines Delgado from Sir Kelly Thomas Tadena. Hello,
So,
Sir
karon atong
Kelly,
nakita
shout
ng
out.
ilahang festival queen no, graceful kaayo sa paglihok, si Miss Katrina Celine Melenchon, 21 years old, and a daughter of Roderick Melenchon and Emily Melenchon.
Kaning trabaho sa to ang festival queen, dili junil siya lalim, Jay.
Dili dyan
Very
na
bugat ang
basta-basta.
costume, tapos kinahanglan mo smile.
Imagine, bugat na siya, wala pa nabasa. How much more if nag-uwan karon? The gracefulness na ilang dapat ipakita will showcase how they devote their performances to our beloved Senior Santo Tomas de Villanueva.
So karon makita nato ang ilahang street dancing performance sa ato ang contingent number. Ikapila na ni sila na contingent, Jay?
Contingent number 6.
So we still have 4 more to
Still
go.
have 4 more. But I know ang atong audience kay naglibog na pud ni sila kung unsay tan-awon.
Basta na kayo tong mga dancers pero ang ilahang energy nagpabilin gihapon.
Nagpabilin gihapon.
Actually, unsay nakanindot aning uwan-uwan no kay jumpsuit ba yan ang mga dancers no?
Oo.
Based on my experience katong giuwan mi sa una,
Unsa
mangihi
man-
na lang mi lahos.
Manghihi na lang mo lahos.
Dili na mi ato CR. Mo na nakanindot sa uwan.
Dili ra
And secret ra
mailahan.
na siya mga danawanan.
Kung naay-
Kami lang mga dancers ang nakaibawan.
Kung naay crying on the rain, na po day manghihi sa rain din, no? Grabe ang energy sa itong mga dancers.
Sidlak Danao daw, ingon sa contingent number 6. Yes, magpadayon ta sa pagsidlak Danao and mga Danawanans all over the world. Nice kaayo og voice ang MC sa Karansa Festival. Shout out! Watching from London, hello! Ma'am Adeline Flores, amping sa London. Happy Fiesta Danao from Dion Verney. Shout out from Toronto, Canada. Sir Remy Rica Batikan. Ako shout out along ko sa ko ang mga parente sa South Korea. To my husband, Francis Stephen Lau, my baby Ali, and my family, Garcia family. Shout out. Ikaw, basta na kay shout out, Jay?
Unya na ako mag-shout out Miss Biangs kay murag nindot jud kay tan-awo ng ato ang mga atong contingent karon, no? Hataw jud kay sila.
So atong ipa-experience atong mga live viewers para madunggan pud nila ang mga chats ug ang sa.
Yes.
So muhilo mi kadiyot mga live viewers, just keep your comments coming kay atuan ang basahon taud-taud. Alright, magpa-shoutout na punta, no? Nadunggan naman ninyo ang mga chants and sounds. Shoutout na punta. Watching from Barangay Saksak. Happy Fiesta Danao. Viva, Senyor Santo Tomas de Villanueva. From Camansinelli Roble.
We also have a shout out for Sibol Quisol from Joseph Duterte. Happy Fiesta Danao. Shout out from Maria Luisa from Banilad, Cebu. All the way from Balamban, we have Renz Castaneda. Happy Fiesta Danao City. Next time na lang daw makauli kung wala na iuwan. And of course, for more updates, and don't forget to follow our official Facebook page because we still have a lot of activities in line for Fiesta 2024.
Alright, Jay, here comes the mighty Banay sa Mapasigarbuhong Danawanan from Sandayong Sur National High School, District 2, led by their dazzling festival queen, Princess Sofia Batikan, and choreographed by Mike Uy. This contingent represents the clustered barangays of Sandayong Sur, Taytay, Masaba, Langosig, and Tuburan. So their district head is Ma'am Josie Batoon, school principal Leo Jesus Dagatan, contingent coordinator Andrew Perminoff, and Ma'am Mirabel Kumahig. Dance masters Kling Ortizo, Harold Puerto, Richmond Baya, and Samsam.
Right now, we can see their festival queen, graceful festival queen, Princess Sofia Batikan, 20 years of age, daughter of Raminato Batican and Marilo Batican.
Actually, kini si Princess Sofia, one of our candidates pud before sa Miss Danao-City 2023. And appeal po siya sa top 5. Very beautiful pud ni kayo na bata, Jud.
Grabe jud ka mga gwapa ug maanyag jud ni ato ang mga Danawano, no? Grabe ka talented, grabe ka mga gwapa, grabe ka mga gwapo, di jud magpaluping.
Murag pareha nato ng gwapa o gwapo.
Oo, dili lang nila makitaan karon.
Sayang, dili ka nila
Sayang,
makita,
dili
Jay.
makitaan.
Ganihan, nakita nila ko ang co-host na si Shim. Pero maybe later, no?
Maybe later magkita-kita tanin niyo din
Maybe
ha.
later after 10 years.
Right now, I can see a unique concept put sa Tuan Contingent number 7 because they are actually wearing disco-themed costume. The girls are wearing blonde hairs, which is interesting. You know what, Bianx? What makes me excited about this Karansa right now? Because this is actually the first time that we are doing live band for their performances. And that's why also we can hear a lot of different instruments because they are also vying for best in musicality, I think.
Yes. So later on, we'll know kinsay best in musicality alongside with best in andas, best in street dancing, and best in ritual showdown ground winner.
Yes, of course.
And best
Later
in
on,
festival queen.
yes, the festival queen also will perform and showcase their talents later
So
on.
nice shout out dire, shout out sa tanang Danao makeup artist, laban na sad ta og good sa palabas kay hilamos uwan ang mga dancers from Stephanie C. Okay ra na sila mahilamos siguro sa uwan no kay bisag with or without makeup ang Danawanon posidlak yun ang kaanyag.
Yes, mga gwapa-gwapo gihapon bisa nagkayamukat na din ang makeup. Gwapa-gwapa gihapon.
Yes. Makita ninyo sa screen ang mga logo sa tuang sponsors. So thank you so much sa tanan natong sponsors sa fiesta. The month-long celebration of the Danao City Fiesta will not be held possible without their generous support.
They deserve also a shout out.
Yes. So, our next contingent. That's from the Hugpong sa Nagkahiusang Loocanon.
From Bibiana Mercado Integrated School with this District 1 with their graceful festival queen, Crystal Eve Gabisay. They are choreographed by Verner Reyes, and this contingent represents Barangay Look, Mantiha, Nangka, Malapok, and Simbakan with pride and unity. Our contingent number 8 district head is Rosidel G. Duterte, school principal Nida Jordan, contingent coordinator Vanessa Joyce Parot, and dance masters Carl Anthony Reyes, James Batulan, Ranzel Reyes, and Franklin Cal.
I really love their costumes. Okay, they're from Look, di ba? And
Ay, basin, they actually represented their barangay
Yes.
really well.
the fishing industry
Yes,
in
the
Barangay
fishing industry
Look.
in Barangay Look.
So that's their andas. Maglibog yun ang mga judges karon kung kinsay makadaog. Kaya ako naglibog, mga judgmental rata dire pero naglibog pud ko kinsay makadaog.
Oh, cute. No?
Ay lang utana dire kung manasabang. Yes ma'am, manasabang contingent number 1.
performances ato ang mga contingents karon no. Ato jud makita nga nag-evolve jud ang mga performances from previous Karansa festivals, and right now murag lisod na jud kani apason na mga standards na ilang giset. But of course ang Danawanon dili gid na sila magkalisod kay from time to time, another year, another upgrade, another performance.
So daghan jud kayo nag-shout out sa tuang contingent number 8. Hugpong sa nagkayosang Loocanan from Bibiana Mercado Integrated School. Shout out, go Bibianistas! So shout out sa tanang mga mga alumni, mga students sa Bibiana Mercado Integrated School. Happy fiesta ka natong tanan. Pa-shout out a Miss Cuaro Presto family, ma'am sir, watching from England. Happy fiesta from Frizel Amisqua Ropresto. Shout out sa mga kauban sa una sa core group ng mga choreographer mula noon hanggang ngayon. Makamingaw naman mo from Karina Gubatan Minggito. Shout out from Saudi Riyadh. Proud Danao, my province. From me, Ann. Hello, ma'am.
Karon Biangs, atong makit-an na pod ang sunod na contingent from sunod na contingent. Let's welcome Hugpong sa Masibulong Kabatan-Unang Danawanon from Quezon Integrated School, District 7. Their festival queen, looking graceful today, Jaya Kate Laurito Kamasura, who is ready to lead them in stunning performance choreographed by Neil Durano. This contingent represents Quezon, Cogon Cruz, Dungguan, and Binaliw.
So, Gia Kate Laurito Kamasura from the Hugpong sa Masibulong Kabatan-Unang Danawanan is a daughter of Climaco Kamasura Jr. and Richel Kamasura. She is 18 years old. So, very pretty po kayo ning bata in personal. Medyo ni mamili ato ang mga contingents o festival queen. Dili lang mga gwapa.
Dapat lang gidingon ana kay dili mo sugot ilahang district head na si Susana Lawas, ilang school principal nga si Jessica Loro, ang ilahang contingent coordinator nga si Juvie Tugahan and Karen Joyce Capuno, and of course their dance masters Jerry James Ildan and Joshua Marikit Runiel Kirol.
So na nagpa-shoutout there. Shoutout watching from Qatar. Manlilo. Akala ko na Qatar eh. From John Christian Mata. Shout out Go Quezon Integrated School. Shout out Antonio Cordero. Ayaw pa uwan diha kay mahilantan ka from Ma'am G. Galin Roble Cordero. Senior Santo Tomas de Villanueva. Maslog for the win from Benita Zior.
Hasta nga tong audience no daghan kasi sila og mga bets, lain-lain ilahang mga bets. So ato jo makita kung unsa ka hiusa ang mga Danawanon sa pagsuporta sa ilahang
so,
mga
karon,
contingents.
they're about to start na ba sa ilahang performance?
Wow.
Okay. Enjoy mga Danawanon. Here's our contingent number 9 from the Hugpong sa Masibulong Kabatan-Unang Danawanon of Quezon Integrated School.
As you can see, Biangs, the headdress of the girls are actually the pins of the now, here, and now, which is interesting.
Wow! Karon na pud ko nakabantay na ang mga pins day nasa tong here and now. And very simple na pud ilahang costume, no?
Yes, very simple, but nindot siya
with meaning.
tanawon. Yes. So sa to ang mga online viewers din ha, grab your chips, grab your foods, because later on you'll witness a way more performance from our contingents.
Alright, that's our contingent number 9. So we have one more to go. Pero before that, shoutout puta diri no. Shout out from Tuburan Sur, Danao-City, my hometown. Parehatag hometown sir from Tuburan Sur, Danao-City, watching from Canada. Hello Sir Robert James Santilia. Go Quezon from Ma'am Leo B. Gonzaga
We also
Hermoso.
have a shout out Danawanans, especially sa Gagliarde family of Lugwayan, watching from Hong Kong. Wala dyan nag-shout out din sa mga taga-Sabang, so ako na lang mo shout out sa mga taga-Sabang. Happy Fiesta din ha sa Barangay Sabang, especially to my family who are watching right now, Aligarbes family. Hope you are doing well. Pasilong lang mo kay nag-ulan pa no. May gali natin live para makitaan po sa tuang tagbalay.
Napoy shoutout there, shoutout ko, Franz Batikan from Santa Yung Sur. Happy Fiesta, Danawanan from Ana Marie Batikin. Shoutout to Soundbox KTV Bar from Ma'am Neneng Galon. Shoutout Novi Jaime, watching from Mandaue. Happy Fiesta from Glendy Jaime Mangguban.
We also have our Danawanon from New Zealand, Bolding Bascones. Hello, hello. Kamusta na mo din ha? Grabe ni si ato ang Danawanon diha nga si El Marie Cabusas, watching from Bonifacio while eating kubal. Sana all may tagmahatdan ta diri og kubal bianks no.
Baka naman, Ma'am Elmarie Cabusa.
Naarami diri sa kilid sa simbahan.
Yes, narami diri sa Plaza Beatriz. Makita ninyo, basin mga Danawanon, mga generous Danawanons na makahatod diri og kubal.
Kubal.
Nagaway na gyud ko sa kubal. Actually, sakal na naan ako sa PIO, na dyan ko ka og kubal kada fiesta because
okay.
very busy ta sa Karansa Festival.
Hinaot na lang gimaabot diri bisag kubal og pagkapin nga mango float.
Bitaw, no? Very lami ra ba kayo na, ay, naglaway na noon ko, Jay, wala lang unta na ni mo gi-mention. Bitaw, shout out ko balik sa ko ang husband, Francis Stephen Lau, and my baby Ali.
Hello, baby
Advance
Ali.
happy birthday kaninyong duha. Advance happy birthday. I love you both.
Birthday ninyo. So right now we are actually seeing the last contingent of street dancing competition. We have from the Mahigugmaong Mananayaw sa D.T. Durano Memorial Integrated School from District 10, led by the fabulous festival queen Giselle Lawas and choreographed by Erwin Escorial. This group represents Poblacion, Manlayag, Danasan, and Tabo. So, our last contingent is coming from D.T. Durano Memorial Integrated School. Christian Ayese Mata, their district head. School principal, Bobby Lavador. Maribeth Alcoseba, their contingent coordinator. They also have their consultant, Jeffrey Tabocanon. Dance masters, Kenneth Encierto, Alex Marcader, Alejandrino Morales, Louis J. Lau.
Alright.
So let's all witness their performance in their street dancing competition.
Enjoy mga live viewers. That's our last contingent. Oh, very graceful ang ilahang festival queen.
Grabe, dyan ni
Kung ako
katalent ng festival
parent
queen.
ni festival queen Giselle Lawas, no? Very proud po ko.
Very proud parents, Joel Lawas and Richelle Lawas.
And she is 24 years old. Hello. So shout out kang Thessalonica Hopia. Greetings from your very handsome husband, Joseph Salingua. Happy wedding anniversary on September 25. And shout out Angel Corrales from Romela Vides. I love you, love. Sana okay ka lang. And Yana, baby Yana. Go, 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 Santa Yung Sur National High School, Rosby Alforque. Shout out Team Arias ug Danilo Tarosa from Christine Reeve. Karansa. Oh, ila yung ikanta, Jay, no?
Grabe. Ila siya gikanta.
Kanta ha daw, Jay.
Ayaw na ma-discover yan talaga. Kasi
Musamot ang
maka-copyright.
uwan. Musamot ang uwan. kung ako ang mukanta. So that's our last contingent, mga Danawanon. So,
Medyo hangak gito, Bianx, no?
hangak bisag wala ta mo sayo,
Wala
no?
tamo sayo, pero kita ang ipaningot.
Kita ang gipaningot, kita ang nakulbaan. Pero nindot jud kayo ang mga performances sa to ang nagkadaiyang contingents. And hinaot nag-enjoy po na ato ang mga live viewers from all over the world because we are live via the Danao-City Government Facebook page and